Although chatbots are a current hot topic, they have been around for a while. One of the earliest programs was called ELIZA, built in 1966 at the MIT AI lab. It simulated a therapist by using a script to respond to a user's questions with simple pattern matching. Most of the bots of the past, built on top of decision trees, were difficult to maintain. The navigation from one user intent to another used to be difficult to handle and relied on hard-coded responses and logic. This often resulted in a subpar user experience. Over the years, chatbots incorporated newer techniques. However, building experiences that meet consumers' high expectations requires sophisticated tools and the right expertise that solve the hardest problems right out of the box. So let's take a look at some of these challenges. Now, while companies are becoming more and more aware of consumers' high expectations for conversational interfaces, few of them are actually equipped with the right tools and experience to fulfill these expectations for natural language understanding capabilities. Trying to build out a conversational interface yourself from scratch is complicated. You need to consider supporting multiple languages and dialects, platforms, and devices in order to maximize reach. It's also crucial to incorporate back-end enterprise services, such as CRM, which requires a flexible infrastructure architecture. There are a plethora of bots that are solving for irrelevant use cases or that offer really poor experiences. Bots that do one thing well are more helpful than bots that do many things poorly. It is also best if the bot can handle passing on more complicated interactions to a human. Being able to escalate to a human is important, but knowing when to escalate is critical. With sentiment analysis, your chatbot should also be able to gracefully handle routing a conversation to a human operator based on context. Now that you are more familiar with these challenges, let's talk about how Dialogflow can address some of them and help you build smart conversational agents that deliver rich experiences.